If you've been waiting for a Burlington condo that doesn't feel like every other condo on the market, this is the one. Welcome to 1304 North Avenue, Unit 1, a truly unique home in Burlington's new North End. Set inside a beautifully preserved early 20th century property that was converted into condos, giving you all the character of a classic Vermont home with the ease of condo living. Inside, this unit lives like a townhouse across 2 floors. The wide galley kitchen and walk-through pantry make it easy to cook together, entertain, or spread out during meal prep. And with a formal dining room and living room, you'll have flexible space for whatever fits your life, hosting, working from home, or creating a cozy reading room. Throughout the home, you'll find the kind of details that are hard to replicate. French doors, wainscoting, a grand staircase, and hardwood floors. With 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, in-unit laundry, basement storage, and a 1-car garage, this home checks the boxes and stands out. And the location? You're close to the bike path, local beaches, Ethan Allen Park, shopping, and all the local favorites that make the new North End feel like its own little corner of Burlington. Come see it in person and be prepared to fall in love.